in the battle between the Yodhas and the Warriors. In the end, it's the Yodhas who've prevailed. The Shivamoga Yodhas winning this eliminator and are now through to qualifier 2, winning this match by 7 wickets. Welcome to the post-match presentation ceremony of the eliminator of the Dax Granites and Marbles Maharaja Trophy KSCA T20 2026. KSCA would like to thank all its sponsors and partners. Title sponsor Dax Granites and Marbles, tourism partner Karnataka Tourism, co-sponsor Vimal Ilaichi, associate sponsor Adarsh Group, umpire sponsor Cycle Pure Agarbattis, gold sponsor Sunvic Steels and Wire Pro, official sponsor Fan Code, radio partner 92.7 Big FM, ticketing partner District by Zomato, and broadcasting partner Sony Sports Network. In the presentation party, it gives me great pleasure to introduce Mr. B.S. Rawat, Director, Dax Granites and Marbles. Warm welcome to you, sir. Also in the presentation party, Mr. Yogesh MT, Channel Partner, Cycle Pure Agarbatti. We've got Mr. Ravi Raju from Vimal Ilaichi. Warm welcome to you, sir. We have Mr. Sailesh Paul, KSCA Managing Committee Member. Warm welcome, sir. We have in the presentation party Ms. Ambuj Ashok from Spark Capital, representing Mysore Warriors. Warm welcome to you, ma'am. And also a warm welcome to Mr. R.S. Prasad, former KSCA Executive Committee member. Warm welcome to you, sir. On to the awards now. First and foremost, the orange cap. Well, it's changed hands, if I may say so, or changed heads per se, because we've got a new aggregate highest run getter of the season, and that is Lavneet Sisodia with 364 runs. Can I have Lavneet step forward? Cap to be presented by Mr. R.S. Prasad. He is now the orange cap holder, the leading aggregate run getter of the tournament this season. And of course, he's given himself a chance to add some more runs to his kitty. And now on to the leading wicket takers. Cap, the purple cap, is now with Abhilash Shetty. 17 wickets, and I'm going to request Mr. R.S. Prasad to do the honors and present that. What a fantastic spell of bowling today as well. Abhilash to add to his kitty, 3 more wickets to his kitty today. 17 wickets, leading wicket taker. Now on to the Catch of the Match award, and this is to be presented by Ms. Ambuj Ashok. And this goes to Lavneet Sisodia for the catch that he took to dismiss Manoj Bandage. Overhead, tracked back, dived and latched onto that catch. Wonderful effort by the captain. Well done. And now on to the next award. This is the Super Sixes of the Match award. And this will be presented by Mr. Sailesh Paul. And this goes to the batter who hit 5 sixes today, Abhishek Prabhakar. For the Warriors, made 36 of just 10 odd deliveries. He had 5 sixes and a 4. That means 34 of the 36 runs that he scored came off boundary and over boundary hits. Well done. An attacking innings that helped the Warriors get to 161. Unfortunately for the side, it wasn't enough. Now, on to the next award. This is the Vimal Fair Play of the Match award to be presented by Mr. Ravi Raju. And this goes to the captain of the winning side, Lavneet Sisodia. Lavneet, can I have you step forward, please? Played the game in true spirit, captained his side hard, but played fair cricket. And therefore, that Fair Play award is with the Shivamoga Yodhas and their captain. On to the Cycle Pure Agarbatti's Trusted Player of the Match award. This is to be presented by Mr. Yogesh MT. And in a T20 game, which is always thought about as a game for batters, when a bowler sets up a team's victory, then it gives me immense pleasure. And today's player of the match, the trusted player of the match, is Abhilash Shetty. For that 3-wicket haul that he had, gave away just 14 runs. In that 4-over spell, he bowled 19 dot deliveries. So out of 24 deliveries bowled, 19 of them dot deliveries. Huge role to play in setting up the win for his side, restricting the Warriors to just that 161 in an eliminator crunch match. Well bowled. And now, of course, we've got a request Lavneet Sisodia to step forward as the captain of the winning side, to come forward and sign the match ball and hand it over to Mr. B.S. Rawat. And Lavneet will request you to step across and have a chat with us as well. Congratulations in the win on a crunch match, which you said at the toss, you're treating like just another game and not just a crunch match.
I mean, yeah, like I mentioned, it was just another match for us where we had to prove what we are. I mean, coming from the game that we had before this, where we got 66 all out, like I mentioned in the post-match, saying it was just an off day, and this is what we are. So we showed what we are.
Now, the use of fast bowlers, the way you utilized your fast bowling resources today on a slightly helpful wicket initially, pretty much set the game up.
Yeah, of course it did. Like, yeah, you know, the same thing we experienced when we were batting the previous game, and we had to capitalize. And our bowlers bowled great lengths, so kudos to them.
Well, as they say, you paid them back in the same coin, but in a crunch game. Let's talk about the chase and that 95-run partnership between you and Tushar that really set up the chase, made it so very easy.
I mean, yeah, of course, the wicket also got a little better after the second innings, but we were hell bent on to finish the game because it was very important for us to be there. So there was an intention to not let anybody else come and do the job. We wanted to finish the job.
Half centuries for both Tushar and you, but you have to tell us about this celebration. I mean, are you counting the number of half centuries you've got? Then you need to raise another finger and make it 4 because you got 4 this season.
That's actually a short abbreviation of Lavneet. So LUV is what it says.
LUV. So great. So fair enough. We were debating whether when you got your 3rd half century in the previous games, we said maybe you're signaling 3. So you're wondering why you're signaling 3 today when you've got 4.
No, it wasn't that.
Well, now through to qualifier 2 on a more serious note. The team's played good cricket, but the turnaround time is very little because you come back tomorrow afternoon for that another important game.
I mean, yeah, it is less time for us to recover, but then we again come back with the same intention, the same attitude that we came with today. So that's pretty much the plan.
Direct and to the point, that's got you runs, that's getting you wins as well, Lavneet. Great captaincy and all the best for tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
There you have it, the winning captain, crisp and concise, but he knows there's a job at hand. That's what we have from the presentation area. A big thank you to the presentation party, and it's back to you guys in the commentary box.
Yeah, thank you so much. And now, of course, the Blasters will be on the field as well in action. A team that has just lost 1 game, having a really hot form, the Blasters. And they have a very important lineup, a cohesive unit, taking on the Coastal Kings Bengaluru, led by Karun Nair. Of course, a team that's really coming up. They won the last few games. Some really good bat in the ranks as well, led by the skipper, Karun Nair. And of course, it's going to be a treat. The game coming up, that's the first qualifier. And that's the evening game. And that's, of course, Kalyani Bengaluru Blasters taking on the Coastal Kings Bengaluru. The game coming up, the first qualifier. And after a short break, of course, we'll be back for action. Till then, it's goodbye from all of us here.